Hello guys, welcome to Online Cash. Today we'll be talking about a platform which will be listing very soon at the ending of this month. So this particular platform will be listing by this month, the ending of this month. And the name of this platform is called Atok. It's an airdrop actually. So the airdrop will be listing at the ending of this month or the middle of this month. So you make money by mining this airdrop just like social value and the rest of them. So like the rest of the airdrop I have mentioned in this um channel. So but the difference is that this one has showed their TGE and they are listing at the ending of this month. So I just started the airdrop newly. I started today because I just got the information today. As you can see, I have 10 atok. That is because if you use somebody referral code, you'll be getting 10 coins for free, 10 atok coins for free. So you get um so that's why I have 10 atok coins. So for you to mine this coin, you just have to, if you look at this place I'm rolling now, you see next check-in is in 3 hours 51 minutes. So the thing is that every time you come here, you tap on daily check-in, and after checking in it gives you coins. So that is how you mine this coin. After checking in it give you coins after checking. So that is one way you can mine the coin. The other way you can mine it is by referral program. So if you want to refer a friend, you just tap on that referral program. So you just wait, it's loading. So you can see I just newly started, so I have no referral. um so you can copy your referral link and your referral code to someone, and that person will get free 10 atok coins, and you also get some rewards too. So that is it. Now to withdraw from um this platform, okay, there's another way you can see end by locking spin. So you can see I have 54 minutes 25 seconds to go because I tap on the locking spin before. So after that they give me 54 minutes to wait. I mean 60 minutes to wait. There's an hour. You get, so I have 54 minutes left. Now to withdraw from this platform, you can withdraw before the listing date, but it's better for you to wait for the listing date, which will be more higher. So for you to withdraw, if you look up here, you see manage. So you tap on the manage, and you can see that the 10 atok I'm having is 0.15 dollars. You get $0.15 for 10 atok. So for you to withdraw, you tap on the transfer, and you can see enter receive address, enter amount. So you can transfer atok to another account or an external web3 wallet. When they say web3 wallet, they mean, for example, trust wallet and metamask. You get, so those kind of wallet. So the limit is 1000 atok per transfer, once per day. So you can only transfer once per day. You get, and it's 1000 atok per day. So if you are doing internal transfer to another account, which means um somebody has an atok account and you want to send atok from your account to that person's account, you can send 5000 atok per transfer. So the minimum withdrawal is 200 atok, and so that is it. So if you want to withdraw, you just enter the receiving address and you can withdraw. So The platform is as easy as that. If you want any information from this platform or you have any question, you can put it at the comment section and I'll do my best to answer. And if you want more of this video, just do what to like and subscribe. Thank you.